So when we got here, it was just open downpipe, so we had to sit here for a little bit, put the stock exhaust, or not the stock exhaust, but put the exhaust back on so that it's not loud, because it was obnoxiously loud when we first got here and you started it up, because it was just open downpipe, and we would have definitely got pulled over on the way home. So put the exhaust back on. Thing is so mint, bro. STI. I know it has a cop access port too as well. It's just not hooked up yet, but it's in this little box right here. But so we'll hook that up on the way home, get it on E. And then I think it does about 320 roll right now on the stock tune on 91. So once we put on the cop, it should be close to like 350 and a little over 350 on 91, and then on E, who knows. But so sick, so happy for him. This thing is so sick, dude. The wheels are so sick too. STI braid. Wheels are so sick. Like a bronze to blue. Headlights are dope too. So you pull this up, over, and then down. The harnesses are so sketchy.
I know. And then that noise. What is that? Hey, look at the lights went away.
What away?
Because of the tune.
The check engine light?
Everything.
Oh, sweet.
Is that lower? Hear the turbo?
Sounds so sick. So sick. Big upgrade from the E46.
What?
Big upgrade from the
I know.
clutch is so weird.
I know, it is weird. I got used to it though.
That squeak, yeah.
That's satisfying.
Oh yeah, I feel the wheel now.
Well, how it's wobbly?
Yeah.
It's not normal, right?
Nope. Yeah, that's weird.
Told you, it's weird. My bad. I got used to it.
That's weird. Oh my god. Yours is so short. Oh yeah, I feel that brake now.
Yeah. It's like, maybe that is.
Huh?
That is.
No idea.
Passenger feels crazy.
Really? Oh my god.
It feels weird, right?
Yeah. And you gotta do your alignment.
Like when you shift really. Power wise, it feels good. But you're getting a hang of it already.
That seat's so close.
So close?
Yeah, I had it close, and that's so far. Keep almost stalling my foot. Yeah, I can't see that with that sticker really.
I know. Ripped off, right?
Yeah. I think ready? What? Got locked out.
That was an insane pull though. Did you feel that?
Yeah.
You got lightheaded?
I said I got locked out of third.
What was that red on there?
The shift limit.
Oh, yeah.
Shift. That's what I call it.
Digging for gold. But overall, that was insane. That was insane. Pristine. Did you turn the hazards on? Oh, no.
Signal.
Dude, that was a good shit. Passenger, that was insane. That was insane.
Oh, I'll just pull over here. I don't want to.
This is what 320 feels like?
I guess so, dude. Imagine on E. I'm just kind of shaking right now.
Really?
Yeah.
Was it exciting?
I'm shaking. What the heck? That's crazy.
And then I get out. Power wise, it feels great.
Oh yeah, this thing's fast, dude. Dude, it's so quiet. I'm like talking. Oh my god. Your neighbor's gonna hate you. Oh, I need the flashlight too. I forgot that. Just got back home right now. Got the tools. I'm gonna take these harnesses out because they're mounted wrong. But I'm gonna take these bolts out right now because they mounted this shit wrong. Just wrench it away.
Go to the beat. On 3, here we go. What?
The song. What are you doing? Oh. Wait.
Whatever.
Uh-oh.
I think that's the ratchet. I'm moving it.
Probably.
Try this one.
Completely forgot about
Nice. Almost like
these trash
ass seat belts.
They will kill you. They look cool, but they're not functional. Back to stocks.
That one's still loose.
What the?
Wait, I think that's just the sliders.
Wait. Oh yeah, it's the sliders.
This one isn't.
That one. All right.
That one's good.
One. What's up, bro?
Good.
What's up, bro? Chilling.
All good.
Hey. That's it. Lighting sucks right now, but dang boy. Taking it off? Because you can't see anything.
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit, real shit, nigga.